Did you know that proper tire rotation and alignment can extend your tire life, improve fuel efficiency, and make your car safer to drive? Many drivers ignore these essential maintenance tasks, leading to uneven tire wear, poor handling, and higher fuel costs. In this video, we'll break down what tire rotation and alignment are, why they matter, and how often you should do them. Let's get started. First, let's talk about tire rotation. Tires wear down at different rates depending on their position. Front tires wear out faster because they handle most of the steering and braking. Rotating your tires means moving them to different positions on your car to ensure even wear and longer life. Typical rotation patterns include front to back, swapping front and rear tires; cross rotation, moving tires diagonally for balanced wear; directional rotation. Some tires are designed to roll only in one direction and must be rotated front to back. You should rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles or whenever you get an oil change. Now let's talk about wheel alignment. Have you ever noticed your car pulling to one side, a crooked steering wheel, or uneven tire wear? That's a sign your alignment is off. Alignment refers to adjusting the angles of your wheels to ensure they meet the road correctly. The three key angles are toe, whether the tires point inward or outward; camber, the tilt of the tire inward or outward; caster, the angle of the steering axis, affecting stability. When your wheels are misaligned, you'll experience uneven tire wear, poor handling, and reduced fuel efficiency. That's why it's recommended to get a wheel alignment at least once a year, or when you feel handling issues. So why should you care about tire rotation and alignment? Here's what they help with. Extending tire life. Even wear means your tires last longer. Better fuel efficiency. Proper alignment reduces resistance, saving gas. Smoother handling. No more pulling, vibrations, or uneven steering. Increased safety. Balanced tires improve braking and control. Ignoring these can lead to premature tire wear, costly replacements, and even accidents. Now that you know the importance of tire rotation and alignment, be sure to check your car's maintenance schedule and get it done regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car maintenance tips. Stay safe on the road.